Jake Paul, look, Jake Paul got $21.5 million in ad revenue last year. He's got 19.7 million subscribers. Holy crap. How to start a YouTube channel for profit. Guys, you want to be a celebrity, you want to make money, whatever, YouTube is there. I just got finished reading the foreword to Derral Eves book about YouTube, and it was written by Mr. Beast, and he said in there, you're an idiot if you don't have a YouTube channel. That's it, hands down, you're an idiot, because it's free. You can start a YouTube channel and make money. This is crazy. Now I will tell you how to do this in this video, so you want to stick around, and I want to show you how to make money with your YouTube channel. Okay, let's go back to this list. This blows my mind. Ryan's World, $22 million last year in ad revenue. Jake Paul, $21.5 million. Dude Perfect, $20 million. Dan TDM, I don't know who that is, 18.5 million. Jeffree Star, 18 million. I mean, this is craziness. If you're not participating and you don't have a YouTube channel, why the hell not? Why don't you have one? Okay, first let's talk about how YouTube works. You don't get paid for uploading videos to YouTube. No, that's not how it works. But there's so many other ways to make money. Some of those incomes I showed you there, that is advertising and merchandise and all this stuff they got going on. You can make money right away on YouTube without getting monetized. And why is that so important? Well, because it takes time to get monetized. You're going to need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to even get monetized and to share in that ad revenue. So don't expect that to happen right off the bat. So what do? You look at other ways to make money with your videos, because YouTube doesn't pay you for just uploading videos. Now once you start making videos, you need to start looking at the age, the demographics, where these people live, all of the data of the people watching your videos. All of this is inside your YouTube channel. Now I've already told you the one way to make money on YouTube, and that's becoming a partner. But once again, you're going to need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. It's not going to happen right away. So that can't be at the top of your list. It can be on your list, but it can't be at the top of your list. Now you want to be careful when you're building your YouTube channel. There's that temptation where you want to do things that are really kind of crazy to get people to watch your videos, but if you go over the line, it's going to hurt you. If you have profanity, if you have nudity, if you have any of these things, violence, any of these things on your YouTube videos, you're not going to get monetized. And if you do get monetized, you could lose your channel. So make sure that you don't try to go over the top trying to get subscribers. Now number 2 is you can sell products or merchandise. Below your YouTube video, you can actually put links to different products you're selling. Maybe you're doing reviews on products, you can put the links down there. Maybe you have a course that you're selling, you can put the link down there. All of this is allowed under YouTube's terms and conditions. Now you do want to be careful though. You don't want to drive all your traffic away from your channel immediately, because if you do that, YouTube's going to see that. They're not going to show your videos to other people. So in the very beginning, you just got to get some content out there, and then you can start putting the products in your descriptions. Now here is Roman ATWOOD. He sells a variety of merchandise at his store under the Smile More brand. Selling branded swag is easier than it might seem at first. Your audience wants to kind of connect with you, and the best way to do that is through branded merchandise that has something to do with your channel or your ideas or what you're doing. Number 3, you can let your audience support you through crowdfunding. There's a little known thing called Patreon, and you can set that up and people will actually pay you monthly. Let me put a graphic up on the screen right now, and this is a screen of Wait But Why. Okay, so this guy's getting funding from his audience here. So for $1 a month, you get to be on board. You know how sometimes somebody says they're on some advisory board and they sound fancy? Well, for $1 a month, you can say you're on board. You can join the Inner Circle email list, in which they're going to give you some emails and some information about it. Then they've got a $3 a month. Three's a crowd, it says here. Don't know what it means, but it was famous saying involving the number 3, so I ran with it. In any case, for the price of a cup of coffee in New York at least a month, your pledge will add up to a very meaningful amount over the course of a year. I don't see that you're getting anything more for that, but that's what he's charging. Then you got $5 here. All Chinese emperors can read WBW for free because of you. More than 1 million people visit WBW each month, and if each of them pledged just a penny, would hit our goal. None of the 494 emperors in China's history have pledged anything, but your monthly pledge has them all covered. So I know that sounds silly and it doesn't sound like you're getting a lot for your money, but people buy into this. He's got, if you look on the screen here, 4,310 Patreons. Okay, you know, if everybody's at $3, he's got what, 12, almost $13,000 coming in right there. Okay, that is craziness, but that's how it works. Now YouTube also has a thing called super chat, so if you go live, people can actually donate money to have their comment pinned to the top, or to put a little emoji in there, something along those lines. And if you just mention that in your lives, you can earn money. Now another thing you can do is actually license your content of that actual media. Now if you've created some content that goes viral, it's kind of funny, and here's an example right here. This lady here had this like helmet thing on and Chewbacca, and it went crazy. She actually licensed this. There's marketplaces out there, there's news outlets, morning shows, online things that need some viral content. So if you do have a video like that, you may want to check into this and see about licensing your media. Next thing you want to do is reach out to brands and be a brand ambassador for them. Do videos, do content, and talk about their products. Now not only can you do a video about a product, many of these brands will pay you if you've got an audience to just talk about their product. It's cheaper to pay you $500 or $1,000 or $2,000 to get you to talk about their product than it is for them to go out and buy ads, and they're not even targeting anybody in those ads. They don't even know where those ads come from. But when you have a channel, you have a set audience. Now this channel is monetized right now, and I pretty much talk about how to make money online and how you're gonna make money online, and the CPM per 1,000 views on my channel right now is around $40, which is crazy high. I mean, you know, some channels are only $5 or $6, but since my audience is the type of people that want to make money online and start businesses, they're worth more to these advertisers, and I get a percentage of that every single month, which is really nice. Okay, so once you do get some subscribers, let's say 1,000, you can join a site like this one here, which is Grapevine Village. Grapevine Village. You only need 1,000 subscribers to join, and you can make money. It's one of the most popular influencer marketplaces, and you only need, like I said, 1,000 followers to join. There's also another one called FAMEBIT, with a wide range of brands to work with. You might find a sponsorship opportunity you'll be proud to be part of. You need 5,000 followers to join FAMEBIT. You could also check out CROWDTAP. You don't have any minimum number of subscribers, and you can make money for different brands on CROWDTAP also. Now the next thing I want to tell you about is affiliate marketing. Now affiliate marketing is where in the description itself, and I have this on all my videos, you can look down there and see it, there's links to different products in there. Most of them are Amazon links, and when somebody clicks on one of those links and they go to Amazon and they buy a product, I get a percentage. Now what if they go to Amazon and they don't buy that product but they buy another product? I still get a percentage for a certain period of time, and I think it's like 48 hours, something like that. I don't know what it is, doesn't matter. The point is, if they even go there and they've been cookied by using your link, you're still going to get paid. Now I don't generate a ton of money a month off that, but it's extra money every single month, and you got to understand all these different streams of income can be earned on YouTube, and that's why you have to have a YouTube channel. I mean, as an individual, yes, but as a business, it's insane not to have one. It's free. Why would you pay for advertising someplace else when you could actually target the people right there on YouTube? Now some interesting facts about this: when people are watching TV, and this is where most ads are put, but they're starting to slowly go over to digital advertising, but when somebody's watching TV and a commercial comes on, what does everybody do? Especially, you know, if they're younger, they grab their phone, right? They grab their phone and they start playing on their phone. Now when they do that, are they watching the ad? The answer is no, they're not watching the ad. Okay, but on YouTube, when they're watching YouTube videos, which most people do on their phones, and an ad comes on, guess what? They have no choice, because they don't have another phone they can just go pick up and grab and start doing something else with. They've got to sit through that ad. The people that watch YouTube ads are 3 times less likely to click off the ad than people who watch TV. Where should you be? YouTube. Now I get it, you're doing videos and you don't want to be a sellout. Okay, you don't want to be selling products on your YouTube channel, but you know what, it's okay. This has been done for years from celebrities and popular people, and you know, people in the news. They've done this for years. They've used their branded face, their personality, that type of thing. The only thing I would tell you is you don't want to back a product that you don't really believe in, that you don't really care about. But it's okay for you to make a living. it is okay for you to do that. Will you get some, you know, kickback? Yeah, you're gonna get some kickback, but bottom line is, you know, I tell my audience, you know, I'm literally here to make money. That's why I'm here, to make money. And if I make money, I teach you how to make money. So, you know, why wouldn't I do that? It only makes sense. Now, a few other things I want to tell you while you're working on this YouTube channel. I've showed you some ways you can profit from it. I've given you some websites to go to, but I will tell you, you need to build your channel. Your audience does not have the level of knowledge you do. So if you want people to like a lot of your videos, guess what you have to do? You got to tell them to like your videos. That's what you need to do right now. Go down there and click that like. Okay, you got to do that. That's really important. That helps my channel, and I'm going to ask you to do it. But if you're not asking in your videos for people to like your videos, guess what? They won't do it. They don't think about it. It's not at the top of their mind to like your videos like it is for you right now, because you just like my video, and I appreciate that. Also, if you want subscribers, how do you get them? Number one way to get subscribers is you ask them to subscribe, like I'm doing right now. If that button down there is red, do me a favor and click it and turn it gray. That means you subscribe. But that's not all. You got to do something else. You got to turn on all notifications. Now, notifications is really important, because if you don't have notifications turned on, the people who are subscribed to your channel won't know when you upload a video. They won't know when you went live. So it's really important to tell them to ring that bell also. That way, those people who are subscribed can come back, watch your videos, watch your live, and you can build your channel. Now, the next fear is that you're going to make some bad videos. Don't worry about that. You will make bad videos. If you go back and look at my first videos, which I don't want you to do, but if you were to do that, you would go back and go, oh my God, those are horrible videos. That's really bad, JR. And all you got to do is to go to a channel, click on their videos, click on sort by, and then sort by the oldest video, and you'll see the first video they uploaded. As a matter of fact, I was just reading what Mr. Beast said, and he said that in his first year, Mr. Beast is one of the biggest people, you know, on the planet as far as YouTube goes, but he said in his first year he only got 40 subscribers. And he says because he did 100 videos and they were all terrible, and yours will be too, but you got to get through them. And as you get through them, go back and look at them and think about how you could improve those videos. What could you do different? What could you do more to make those videos better? And over time you'll get there. If you're looking to make money, you know, off subscriptions and that type of thing, and monetization in 6 months, it's probably not going to happen. You probably won't get monetized, you know, maybe even in your first year, but you can make money. There are things you can do that I just went over in this video that will help make you money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, like I said, to subscribe. Don't forget, ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified every single time I do a new video. I also want to hear your comments below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Let me know if you have any questions, anything you'd like to see us make a video on. I'll be happy to do that. And if you have questions and need help, I'll come back and answer those for you too. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.